Strictly Come Dancing introduced 4 new professional dancers ahead of this year's series, replacing Anton, Beke and Janette Manrara. While the new dancers were over the moon after signing across the dotted line, it appears all was not well behind closed doors. Following the news that Anton would be joining the judging panel and Janette would be fronting It Takes Two, Strictly bosses were left quickly trying to fill the void. This year, the new dancers taking to the ballroom are Kai Widdring, Nikita Kuzmin, Cameron Lombard and Jowita Przystal. Jowita is the Polish Open Latin champion, as well as the reigning winner of BBC One's The Greatest Dancer alongside her boyfriend, Michael Danilchik. The 26-year-old and Michael were mentored by fellow Strictly professional OTI Mabuse on the show before signing up to Strictly. While Jowita and Michael were inseparable on The Greatest Dancer, it appears things are not as rosy now as they once were. Speaking to the Mirror, a source said, "It's understandable he feels a bit gutted. But he is really proud of Jowita and will be supporting her all the way." An insider on the hit BBC One program told the publication, "The team considers dancers from across the globe. There are many factors that play a part in each casting. Every Strictly dancer is considered as an individual." Despite this, Michael took to his Instagram, stating he was ecstatic at the news that Jowita had taken the role on Strictly. In view of his 11,000 followers, he said, "I am so ecstatic to share with you all that my babe made her biggest dream come true. I am super proud of you at Jowita Przystal. You are the most hardworking person on this planet and I know you will be outstanding. I know how much this means to you." He added, "I love you from the bottom of my heart and I know everyone will see what I see in you. Time to smash it, babe." Fans of the happy couple instantly rushed to the comment section to celebrate the news. One commented, "Amazing news Jowita, proud to say I've been taught by you this last year. But where are you Michael? Sick." Before a second added, "Absolutely thrilled, so well deserved. Yes, congratulations. Cannot wait to watch later this year," exclaimed a third. Trending sharing her delight about joining the program, Jowita said, "This is my biggest dream come true. No words can describe how I feel right now. I'm still pinching myself to check if this is real, but I am beyond excited to be joining the Strictly Come Dancing family. I can't wait to give all of my heart and soul on that dance floor."